Lovers, welcome back to my space, and today we are having another airdrop tutorial, guys. You know that is what we are here, and that is why I am here. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how I achieved this airdrop on my head. Yes, this airdrop on my head. You can say, okay, I think this airdrop is familiar, but I want to show you that one step, simple step to achieve this airdrop without giving you that, oh, how do I turn my hand, how do I sheet this, how do I do that. It's gonna be a very simple step, trust me, guys. So guys, don't let us waste much of our time. Let's go right into the video to see how it is being done. So guys, we are starting now. You will get your material. After you get your material, fold it the way it is seen in the video. Fold it like that. After folding it, make sure it's straight from up to down. Arrange it very well. And after that, you turn it up like this, and let's begin to make just a little please, just a little bit. Okay, if you want your own to be bigger, you can pleat more, but I want it like this, so I use my elastic band. After that, I just place it like this. So concentrate and see how I'm doing this. So concentrate. So you place it on your head like this, and you take it to the back where you'll be needing your office pin to grab it, to secure it, man. You need to secure it at the back with your elastic band. So when you are done securing it with your elastic band, you know we have excess, so you can decide to tuck it in and place it on your head. But here you can see that middle part, I just use it to cover it up, and I tuck it in to get it secured. So if you wish, you can just scatter this a bit, and you are good to go like this. Yeah, you can go like this, but I want something wider. Now look at the back, can we see? So you can go out like this, but I want something wider, and I began to stretch here. You see that this is absolutely simple. Like, this is for a layman, like very simple, guys, very simple. Anybody can actually achieve this. So you just stretch it out and make the two edges of both to meet, and you use your office pin to grab it. If you want to tie quick sharp head wrap, you'll be needing your office pin, yes, and you will also be needing your elastic band. Not all that needs it, but in case you want to try something, you need those two have to be available. I'm just saying this. So focus and see, don't be carried away. Then I pin that edge and the other edge, and this gives me this look, and that was how I was able to achieve this simple head wrap styles, guys. And we are done, guys. Like, share, follow for more. See you guys.